You've got a half-written novel sitting in your laptop, a story that started with passion and momentum, but somewhere along the line, you lost the steam. Maybe life got in the way. Maybe you got busy. Maybe the inspiration ran dry. Or maybe you just got stuck in that frustrating middle section where everything feels too complicated to untangle. But what if I told you that AI could help you finish your story without losing your voice, your creativity, or your control? Hello, my name is Ekello Harrid, and at the Future Fiction Academy, we teach authors and storytellers how to work with AI, not against it at all. We've built standalone classes, in-depth programs, and community spaces where you can master the tools that turn half-finished drafts into completed novels, short stories, or even screenplays. And today, we're diving into how to use AI to finish your half-written novel, the same topic we explore in a detailed blog post from one of our latest blog entries over at the Future Fiction Academy. It's written by Steph Bajonas, so go check it out. Links are in the description below. So let's start with the truth, okay? AI isn't going to magically finish your book for you. What it can do is act like a creative partner, giving you the momentum when you run out of it. The process starts with something we call anchoring. This feeding the AI your strongest writing examples, your best pages, your character notes, your world building snippets, and using them as your reference. You're not the AI. You're not telling the AI to write a book for you. You're saying, continue this story in my tone, my rhythm, and in my narrative voice. That's how to keep the heart of your story intact. Once you've got the anchor text ready, you move into scene-by-scene prompting. Instead of asking the AI for an entire chapter, you focus on one moment at a time. You tell it what just happened, what needs to happen next, and the emotional goal of the scene. Maybe it's confrontation. Maybe it's resolution. Maybe it's discovery that flips everything upside down. The AI gives you raw material, something to react to, rewrite, and refine. You stay in control of the pacing. You stay in control of the tone and the structure. The next phase is editing and merging. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. You don't just copy and paste what the AI gives you. You become the editor-in-chief of your own book. Think of AI as a first draft assistant. It gives you text, and then you shape it, polish it, and blend it into your original words. You're not surrendering your voice. You're amplifying it. And here's the secret most people miss. AI gets better and better the more you guide it. Every time you refine its output, you can feed that improved version back into the prompts, helping the model learn the rhythm of your story. It's like keeping your own custom writing partner that understands your world better than any scene you complete, with every scene you complete. But let's be honest, there's pitfalls. Sometimes AI starts drifting, creating scenes that feel too generic or introducing details that don't fit. When that happens, don't panic. Tighten your instructions. Re-anchor your styles by referencing every chapter, every single chapter that you wrote, and never be afraid to delete what doesn't work. I know that's hard to say and hard to understand and everything, but it's the truth. You need to literally delete everything, every single thing that is not working, okay? You're not a T-Rex, so you should do this thing. The magic isn't in what the AI gives you. It's how you shape that thing. Now, if you want to see real examples of how this works, prompts, templates, anchor text formats, and step-by-step workflows, we've got all of that laid out for you in the blog post. Use AI to finish your half-written novel. It's the perfect companion piece to what we're talking about here today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell, because YouTube likes to YouTube, and we don't want you to miss any of our weekly videos on writing, storytelling, and the creative use of artificial intelligence. My name is Ekello Harrid. This is the futurefictionacademy.com. Go on over to the futurefictionacademy.com for even more resources, including the full blog post from today, our standalone classes that teach you specific AI writing techniques, and our year-round accelerator program that helps authors write smarter and faster every single month. Whether you're finishing your novel, planning a series, or just rediscovering your creative spark, we've got the tools for you, the training, and the community to help you get it done. Welcome to class, and I'll see you in the next one. My name's Ekello Harrid, and I will see all of you in class.